So, good day, Sir Clint. I am Francis Ibuduay from IT2F, and I will be doing the Laboratory 3 Abstraction and Interfaces. So, ang instruction daw dili kay create a vehicle management system. The system will include different types of vehicles such as cars and motorcycles. You will use an interface that define the common behaviors of all vehicles, an abstract class to partially implement these behaviors, and a concrete classes to represent specific vehicle type. So the interface should declare the following methods. Ang method daw kay diri kay start engine, stop engine, accelerate, o brake. So ato sa atong Eclipse. So buhat ta og package. Then pangalan sa lab 3 na. Then create ta og main class kung asa ta magtawag sa atong mga method. Then another interface di ay kay mamo nang ako, which is si vehicle, and duha ka subclass na si cars o motorcycle. So diri ang ingon dito is magamit yung tag interface that define the common behaviors of all vehicles. So mao ni ang common behaviors kining start engine hangtod sa brake. So since interface man atong in vehicle, so abstract din na siya. Abstract void, then atong method name is start engine, then duha ka parenthesis, then semicolon. So diri since interface man siya, dili man abstract class, pwede na nato siya hawaon ang ang abstract. Then another method which is si stop engine, then accelerate, o last is si brake. So ito lang save. So the system will include different type of vehicles such as cars and motorcycles. So an abstract class to partially implement these behaviors, and a concrete classes to represent specific vehicle type. So diri mag-implement ta sa vehicle para magamit nato ang iyahang mga methods. So ang first method is si public void start engine log n, then curly braces para diri na to ibutang atong body, which is atong i-print. So ato na siya ibutang og the car is starting. So makita ninyo no naka siya since kuan man ni siya kanang interface. So dapat nag-implements mata sa interface. So dapat kung unsa ang methods na si interface, kung asa nag-implements, napod dapat tatong iyahang mga methods. So dapat kompleto tato. So sunod is si stop engine, curly braces, then system out print, the car is stopping. So simple lang no, simple lang nato. Then another method which is si accelerate, curly braces, the car is accelerating. Then another is or last guys si brake method. So the car is stop. the star is braking. So as you can see, wala na siya sa tawag ni, di na siya mag-error kay tungod nabutang naman nato tanan methods ni vehicle sa atong cars. So same lang gyapon kay motorcycles, no? Kay pareho raman sila og behaviors. Kay vehicle man gyapon si motorcycles. Then ato lang siyang i-copy. Okay, nakulang tag vehicle dire. So ato lang siyang pulihan og vehicle, 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 vehicle. So humata, no? Ay, motorcycle day. So namali ko kung ano dito, no? Motorcycle. So ato na siyang tawagon sa atong main class. So mag-instantiate lang ta diri og cars, cars, new cars. Then kay motorcycles na pod motor lang. So pili na siya sa tawagon. Ay kulag is. So man since the motorcycles lab 3. So start engine. Okay man siya. Motorcycles. Okay, so duha di atong CY diri ah. Ay. So okay na siya, no. Namali lang siya og so naduha lang nato ang cycle dito. So diri ato na siyang pang tawagon. Start engine, car stop dali man ta. Stop engine, then car accelerate, then car brake. So dire butang ang tag system out print para na siya space. Then motor, start engine, motor, stop engine, motor, accelerate, then motor, brake. Then ato na siyang i-run. So mao na ni siya, no. The car stop, starting, start, stopping, accelerating, braking, starting, stopping. So mao na to siya ang laboratory 3. Since wala may ibutang na constructors or magbutang taog brand or model, so ato lang siyang gi follow.